VoizHub AI review. Welcome to the channel Abhay Reviews. In this video, I will be reviewing VoizHub AI. Are you facing issues with creating audio content quickly and efficiently? Say hello to VoizHub AI. This powerful tool simplifies voice manipulation, turning any document into speech with ease. Let's dive in. In the further review, we will be covering all these points one by one and see all the advantages you can have. Guys, make sure you stay till the end of this review as I will also be showing you the demo of VoizHub AI so you know what you are getting into if you decide to purchase. So what is VoizHub AI? VoizHub AI is the ultimate solution for generating studio quality voices and automating voice related tasks with features like an AI recorder, voice cloning and text to speech conversion in multiple languages. It revolutionizes how we create and manage audio content. Now let's see the demo of VoizHub AI and understand how it works.
You're welcome to VoizHub AI, your number one AI voice cloning, AI video dubbing, AI voice recording, AI transcription, and AI PDF to speech, and many more. So right here, I'm going to show you step-by-step method of using your VoizHub AI account. Now, when you get to your dashboard this way, you come to the sidebar and click on AI voice cloning. And then you will be taken to this interface where you're going to see different methods that you can use to clone voices. Right? You can use the celebrity influencers method. We have a number of influencers and celebrities right here, and you can clone any of the voices. Then you can select from library here, you can record, and you can select from device. Now let's do this. You click on use celebrity influencers voice, right? And here you're going to see a number of celebrity voices that you can use, from Steve Hardy to Dwayne Johnson, Beyonce, Drake. We've got Nicki Minaj, Justin Bieber, Vin Diesel, Erling Haaland, Denzel Washington. You have a number of them right here. Even Jackie Chan, Jennifer Lopez, Snoop Dogg, Tom Cruise. Oh my goodness. In fact, we've got Cristiano Ronaldo right here. And what do you have to do? You can preview the voice before you use it. Now click on preview, then you play it.
It's not a magic trick. It's not God picks certain people he'll make rich and certain people he don't. He gives all of us as his children.
So for you to use the voice now, you have to click on use here. Then you name your project. And right here, we have the AI icon right here, which you can use, of course, to generate content, right, for your work. Now, if you click on this, you see enter your keyword. Then you click on this to generate content. Amazing. It has generated the content for me, as you can see. Right now, what I want to do now, you can adjust the similarity boost here, right, to your taste, right? So I want to leave it that. Then the stability, you can adjust it as well, right, to suit your taste. And the style as well, you can adjust it to whatever you want. Then you click on generate. Amazing. The voice has been generated, and here it is. Then you can play it right here.
Love and partners are two important aspects of human relationships. Love is a deep emotional connection and bond between two individuals, while partners are people who come together in a romantic or intimate relationship.
And once that is done, you just click on this and you download your voice. And as you can see, the voice has been downloaded right here. Is that not amazing? Of course it is. Now let's go back again. So you can make use of any of the celebrities' voices, right, that you want to use right here. You can use Beyonce, you can use Drake, all right? That is quite straightforward. Now you can search for any celebrity voice that you want right here. Right. You can also select from library, right, where you can explore a diverse range of voice options to enhance your user experience. Right. Then you click on create. As usual, you name your project. Right. Then you pick your voice here. Let's say church. You can as well play the voice, right? You preview the voice before you make use of the voice, right? You can use the integrated AI to generate your content, or you can just copy and paste your content right here, right? So you can paste your content here, right? Or you use the AI, then you search for your content, and your content has been generated, as you can see right here. So what you have to do now is to, come here, set your similarity. You can set your stability and then the style as well, right? That you can use speaker boost, right? And then you click on generate.
Machine learning is an emerging field that has the potential to transform.
That is amazing, right? Now, so let us go back and use another method to clone another voice, right? And right here, we're going to use the record method where you simply press the record button to start and save or review your recordings instantly, right? So click on create and then you click on record right here. My name is James and everything I do is to make sure that my family is happy. Then you click on stop, name your project, and right here you click on the AI icon right here. Then you enter your keyword. Then you click on this search. Awesome. I have my content right here, right? Then you come to stability, you can adjust it, and your similarity, don't forget, and your style, right? And you can use speaker boost right here. Then you click on generate. Amazing. The voice has been cloned right here, and you can play it.
Family is a powerful source of support, love, and connection. It is through our families that we learn important lessons, develop our values, and form lasting bonds.
Amazing. That is interesting. All right. Now there is another method to clone voices. Now let's check that out. And here you go. You can select from device, all right? You select your preferred voice from your device to customize the audio output. What do? You click on create. Then you'll be taken to this interface. You enter your project's name, click here to upload audio file, then you click on open, and it's going to be uploaded right here, right? And just like we did earlier on, you can generate your content with AI. You enter your keyword and you search. Once you have your content, you set your stability, right? Your similarity, style, use speaker boost, and then you generate. Amazing. And now you can play the voice right here. Right? Now let's play it and see.
The master of the business is someone who has extensive knowledge and expertise in various aspects of business management and leadership. This individual has likely completed a
And how cool was that? Amazing. That's it. So now let's go to AI video dubbing, right? So when you click on it, you're gonna be taken right here. This is the dub video content interface, all right, where you can upload from your device. You can upload via YouTube. You can make use of Vimeo link. You can make use of TikTok link, X link, etc. Right? You can also set your source language right here, right? Your target language, number of speakers right here, the resolution, right? So you name your project, right? Then you upload video file from your computer. Then you click on open, and now you have to set the source language, right? Then your target language, let's say French. Then you pick the number of speakers. Now the resolution, medium or high, right? You pick that. Then you click on generate. And once you have your dubbed video output, you easily come right here. You click on download here, and it will be downloaded to your computer. And as you can see, it has been downloaded to my computer. All right. So now let's play it and see.
Je viens d'être invité à prononcer le discours de remise des diplômes à Harvard. C'est incroyable!
Wow, that's amazing. Oh my goodness. This is very simple and straightforward. When you upload your video, just make sure you set your source language, right? Whether English or French or German or Japanese as the case may be, right? Then you come right here to the target language, the language you want to convert it to, right? Maybe you want to convert it from French, right? Then to say German. You set it right here, and do not worry, VoizHub AI will do everything for you. Right. So now let's check the YouTube right here. You click on YouTube, and all you have to do for this is to just grab your link, your YouTube link, right, and paste it right here. Once you paste your link, you come right here, you set your source language, right, say English, then your target language is Spanish, right, then the number of speakers too, then the resolution as well. Okay, let's check medium this time around. Then you click on generate. Here is the dubbed video output right here. Then you click on this download button again to download it to your computer. As you can see, it has downloaded to my computer. Amazing. Now let's play it and see.
Lo que también notarás es que la gente empieza a abandonar sus mítines temprano, por agotamiento y aburrimiento.
La gente no va a sus mítines, no hay razón para ir. Y la gente que va los está llevando en buses y pagándoles para que estén ahí, para confiscar.
That is super amazing. Is that not lovely? I want to believe you love that. Now let's check Vimeo out. Now when you click on Vimeo here, you come right here as well. It's very simple and straightforward. you copy your link from Vimeo, you come to Vimeo right here, you copy your link, then you go back again, paste your link right here, then source language is English, then target language could be, say, let me say Chinese, right? Then number of speakers 1, then the resolution high, then you click on generate. Then you have to follow the same process for TikTok. When you click on it, you say you have to enter your TikTok link right in this box, then you select your language right here, right? Then the target language here as well. You follow the same process, that's it. Then for X as well, you enter your X link for your video, right? Then your source language and your target language and the number of speakers, then the resolution right here, right? And once you do this, you click on generate, and you can use the other options as well. If you have video links from other sources, you just copy and paste the link right here, and you set your source language, your target language, the number of speakers, and your resolution. Once that is done, you hit your generate button right here, and your dubbed video output will display right here for you to download. How cool is that? Is that not amazing? Indeed it is. Now let's move on. We also have the AI voice record right here, and then you'll be taken to the record content interface right here, and this makes it quite easy for you to quickly record your voice and make use of it for AI voice cloning. How cool is that? All right, now you click on this, then you start recording. Right now my voice is being recorded, and I'm trying to make sure that I have an audio content to use for my AI voice cloning. That's it. I'm trying to make sure that I have an audio content to use for my AI voice cloning. Click here to save and download your recording, and here is the recording. It has been downloaded to my computer. How cool is that? And also we have AI transcription. Click on it, and then you'll be taken to this interface where you transcribe your audio to another language. Right now, enter project name, then upload audio file, then open. Right, then you fetch the content, and then you come right here to pick any of the voices we have right here. Right, you can preview them, right, for you to confirm the voice you want to use. Right, I want to pick Gregory. Right, click on that, and you scroll down. Right, this is the content. Right, this is the content, and what I have to do now is to synthesize right here. Right, you can adjust the volume, adjust the tempo, taste, right, like that. Then you click on synthesize. Then let's play it.
I was born on February 5th, 1985 in Funchal, Madeira, Portugal.
That is super amazing. I mean, it has changed the voice completely from what it was. It was Cristiano Ronaldo's voice, and now it has been changed to Gregory's voice, which I picked from these voices right here. Right, so that's it. We also have the AI PDF to speech. When you click on it, it is very simple and straightforward. It turns your PDF content to speech. I mean, this is amazing. We also have tons of voices right here for you to pick from, and you just synthesize again and you're good to go. We also have the AI URL to speech, where you have to turn your URL content to speech, right? So all you have to do here is to enter your project name, right, and the URL right here, and then you fetch content. Then you check here to pick your voice right here. Right, let me pick Kendra, see your content, and here you go. This is the content from my website. Right now, what you have here is to adjust the volume a little bit, and you might want to reduce the tempo or you increase it again. Then you synthesize, and here it is. You have your content right here. It has been converted to speech right here. Now let's listen to the speech. Right, you click on this play button.
Everyday Health Special Report, Weight Loss Reframed. Weight Loss by Lambeth Hockwald and Leslie Berry.
And you can easily come right here to download the speech. Right, you click on download here, and it will be downloaded to your computer.
I hope you understand how VoizHub AI works now. Also, I have an example of Ronaldo using VoizHub AI.
Hey, it's Cristiano Ronaldo. I approve VoizHub AI, the world's first AI-powered all-in-one synthetic voice app. You're going to love it. Get instant access now. Cheers.
So right now we're at the sales page of VoizHub AI, and it says it's a game changer all-in-one AI voices synthetic app that lets you clone any celebrity voice, dub, record. Imagine with one click you can clone a voice that I have shown you right now and other celebrities as well, and use it to sell your product or services. AI VoizHub replaces all major voice apps like 11 Labs, Google's WaveNet, Amazon's ChatGPT, Artlist, and all the major applications that are present on the internet. Before jumping further into VoizHub AI review, if at any point you want to check out VoizHub AI, go ahead and click the link in the description below. All the details of OTOs, upsells and discount are present in the description as well. Also, here's my bonus page that I want to show you. All these exclusive bonuses are waiting for you. This bonus package will be yours once you decide to purchase VoizHub AI from the link that I have given in the description below. VoizHub AI is a low one-time offer of $17. Also, they have a 30-day money-back guarantee right here. So if this tool doesn't work for you, you can return it back to the developer. So it's totally risk-free. Take advantage of this amazing opportunity. Take action now and secure your future success with VoizHub AI while enjoying my special bonuses. Now let's see what you guys can do if you decide to purchase VoizHub AI. Legally steal their voice, AI voice cloning that will blow your mind, instant global domination, AI dubbing in any language you want, turn any book into an audio masterpiece, AI audiobook narrator, transform any text, doc or URL in mind-blowing speech in any language, and a lot more benefits that you guys can take advantage of if you decide to purchase VoizHub AI. Built-in marketplace for audiobooks and podcasts, one-click embedded, limitless creativity with a free commercial license, and a lot more that are present on the screen. As we have already seen the demo of VoizHub AI, just in case here are the 4 simple steps how you can use it. Step 1 is log into the dashboard. Step 2, choose what you want to do, clone, dub, record, anything. Step 3 is execute, and step 4 is enjoy. That's it. In 4 simple steps, you can make a good amount of money on a daily basis using VoizHub AI. It doesn't matter which profession you are in, VoizHub AI can work for anyone: product owner, affiliate marketer, coaches, service product, influencer, content creator, book writers. Any profession can use VoizHub AI, clone, record or dub any text into speech. Now here are some amazing features of VoizHub AI. VoizHub AI cloning, dub, transcript, recording, narrator, podcast, built-in marketplace, chatbot, assets library, commercial license, mobile edition as well, training videos, world-class support. These are everything that you guys will be getting if you decide to purchase VoizHub AI. And that's not it. Here are the bonuses that you guys will be getting from the vendor himself, which are other than my own exclusive bonuses that I have shown you earlier in the video. The first bonus is VoizHub AI 6-figure in 60 days live event. Second bonus is VoizHub AI audible store generator, blog talk radio, podcast interview template, traffic booster. These are total 5 bonuses that you guys will be getting from the vendor himself. Now it's time for the OTOs and upsells that you guys can take advantage as well. There are total 8 OTOs of VoizHub AI. The first OTO is unlimited for $67. Second OTO is done for you, automation, limitless traffic, agency, and franchise edition with a upsell and a downsell. They have a 30-day money back guarantee, as I have already told you. These are everything that you guys will be getting access to if you decide to purchase VoizHub AI. And these are total worth $16,000, which you guys will be getting at $16.95 for a one-time payment. If you are looking to improve your sales and achieve unparalleled success in your sales effort, then VoizHub AI is the tool for you. Lots of bonuses are waiting for you, so make your decision fast. If you don't take action now, you will miss out on being one of the first ones to dominate your market with this revolutionary technology. Get your copy now. Thank you so much for checking out my VoizHub AI review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click the link in the description below, where you will get all the exclusive bonuses as well. Lastly, as always, thank you so much for checking out my VoizHub AI review, and I'll see you in the next video.